Finasteride is an FDA-approved treatment for alopecia. What it will do is prevent the DHT hormone from binding with the hair follicle or the DHT receptor in the follicle so that the hair follicle does not miniaturize over time. It's a very effective treatment because you're treating the primary cause of the hair loss, which is the hormone issue. Finasteride, also known as Propecia, was a medication originally utilized for prostate health, to shrink the prostate. But what they found with the treatments as a side effect is that patients were having more hair growth. So what they did was they did a study to see what kind of side effects occur with Propecia and also what dose is optimal for producing hair growth. What they found out that at a 1 milligram dose, you get about the same amount of hair growth that you do with 2 milligrams or 5 milligrams. So 1 milligram is the optimal dose. There is a side effect of erectile dysfunction with finasteride. So the way you minimize that is by minimizing the dose, meaning keeping it at 1 milligram rather than 2 or 5 milligrams. In addition, you could go below that when you prescribe the medication. Finasteride stays within your system. It has a longer half-life than just a day. There's other medications that you can take or other supplements that you can take, which include saw palmetto, which has less of those effects, but still work on the same mechanism. It's a little bit confusing, but if you need some help trying to figure out a proper treatment plan for you, please give me a call. I'm Dr. Galope from Lasting Impression Medical Aesthetics, and I want to guide you on your hair journey.